Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be playing this game called Time to End. Let's just play it. Alright, let's turn the volume down. Huh? What? This game is let's join. Huh? What just happened? Alright, let's see what was the game what I got sent to. Huh? Oh, this was the game. What happened to my iPad? What happened to Roblox? Let me restart Roblox. Probably this is a joke. Oh my god, I'm so afraid. This is, I literally joined the game. I joined the game. This is weird. So this was the game. So this game is, this is like, this is another game. We'll get you banned. Look, I'm going to join again.
Hamburger. 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 Why, nigga?
Help? Can I leave? This is on Tuber 19. This Roblox. This is scary. Don't touch me.
Why, nigga?
Stop this, please. I'm actually going to cry.
Hamburger.
Oh
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Hamburger. Hamburger.
What is it? Oh my god, I couldn't believe. Help. I'm ending the video.
Hamburger.
Bye bye.